in India there is a mindset and there is also reality that in private school there is some sort of good level of education, right? In government school there is a very less standard, right?
Hello, Mr. Sandesh. Quick learner you are.
Yes.
So as you mentioned that in your introductory part that you are good at learning.
Yeah.
You learn things very fastly, very quickly.
Okay,
let me complete first.
Okay.
As you mentioned that you are good at sports, that you are good at dramas, that you are good at reading books. So how a person can good at these types of many things? So my question is very simple to you, that I just want to know from you that we are not quick learners like you. So how can we be a quick learner like you? So what is the procedure? What is the criteria to be a quick learner? So can you please elaborate this?
Okay. Well, that's a good question. Actually, I like this question. So let me clear your question is that first, how can be a quick learner, right?
Yes.
So I think I already mentioned in my introduction that you can be a quick learner because learning is a process of it happened in minds actually. It's a combination of neurons. When you learn new things now, there is a neurons is like that. When you learn new things, it's binding, and when you're learning again and again the same concept, it becoming more stronger, right? So it can be better when you observe things very.
How can you observe? Because we don't
I'll tell you.
Much focus.
Yeah.
We are just distracted
Okay.
from our.
For that you have to do meditation. You know meditation?
Yeah.
You can do it. If then you can only understand.
So in meditation, what we have to do?
You have to sit.
We just have to sit or.
No. You have to sit there. Initially, when you start meditation, you will feel like it's very boring and kind of very boring things. In fact, you feel sleepy as well. But when you spend time like months and 2 months, you will feel that there is some changes going on in my mind or my body also. You feel very energetic, and you feel things like you can focus you can focus more in anything, whatever you want to.
So let me give you an example that
Okay.
if you want to learn English speaking.
Yeah.
So what sort of things we have to observe?
Okay. I can tell you.
Could you please make us understand?
Yeah. Let me tell you about how can we strong our English communication, right?
Okay.
So English communication means you have to speak. You must have data in your mind. Then only you can speak, right?
So we have to a lot of content.
Yeah, content in your mind, and for that you need to consume content. And there are three type of you can consume content. Video content, it may be video content, audio content, and reading books. And I can tell you that reading books is the best thing. If you read book,
I repeat my question. What is the first stage of learning things? What is the first process of focus in anything you want to learn? If I want to learn, how can I start my focusing on things? That what sort of things I have to observe?
Okay, for that you need to create interest on that.
We all have interest to learn English speaking. That's why we are here.
Yeah. So you have to know about what is the benefit of English speaking, right? First you have to know that if I learn English, then what kind of doors will open for me, and is it some little kind of selfish nature there is needed, like you think like when we learn English we can speak in stages and
I add on one more question.
Yeah, okay.
So, as you are a studious guy and you love to read books a lot, so what sort of books you read till now to enhance your focus, to enhance your observation, to enhance your learning things very quick?
Actually, I am a big fan of Swami Vivekananda. Have you aware of it?
Yeah, I heard about.
Okay, so if you heard and you want to increase your focus, so you must learn about him, because if you learn about Swami Vivekananda, he is a very great personality of our country, and he is a master in their meditation, and he increased their brain power from meditation. So if you learn about him.
So have you learned about him?
Yeah, actually I learned about his meditation areas where I want to.
Could you please highlight some of the points?
Yeah, actually he started meditation from 8th standard, right? And from 8th standard, actually I know about him from past 5 to 6 years only. And but actually I am not from a very good background, and that's why I don't know about, and that's why I don't able to know him in earlier.
Meaning of I'm not belong to a very good background.
I'm not able to.
As you are studious and there are books available.
Yeah, no, right? No. If I am in, as I am in 8th standard, I have don't much. I don't have friend circle like I can spend in a private schools, and because in India there is a mindset and there is also reality that in private school there is some sort of good level of education, right? In government school there is a very less standard, right? So I completed my 8th class 8th. From government college, and where standard is very less. Okay. And after that I joined Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya class 9th, and then I get some sort of friend circle.
Okay, for the timing is okay. Yes, next please.
Hello, Sarish. This is Arjun.